Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and thank you for joining me. In today's video, I will be showing you all the new mini slimline dies at Scrappiness, as well as the new stamp set and two amazing paper pads, along with the new enamel dots and the new sprinkles. And just a little warning, this video is longer than my normal video because I will be sharing with you all the new products available at the shop, the afterpay option available now, and information about the giveaway. So first off, Scrappiness has now introduced afterpay, which is great news for us because if you are purchasing products more than $35, you can now use afterpay as an option so that your payments will be divided into 4 installments, interest-free. So that's really amazing for us because I know a lot of us are on a budget and craft supplies is kind of like the last thing in our minds, and now we can buy the products that we want without feeling guilty about it because the afterpay option is available. And second, if the dies that you want are out of stock, don't worry because you can click on the notification and indicate your email address. It's a first come first serve basis, so if you sign up early, you will get notified when it's back in stock. Also, I would like to point out that most of them are now back in stock. Kathleen just needs to update the website, so please keep an eye out. And I do have a giveaway, so I promise you, hang there with me and you will see the giveaway details at the end of this video. So the first dies that I will be showing you here were the first ones that she released. This one is called the double stitched mini slimline dies, and it features this double stitching that when you die cut your projects, you will get the stitching lines both on the positive and the negative pieces. And this contains 5 or 6 dies, and for the middle one, you can actually use that for your sentiments, and it's really good because once you die cut, you can also create some frames using these dies. And if you're wondering what the measurements are for these mini slimline dies, you can check out the website because I don't want this video to go too long. The next die that I'm showing you here is called the Mini Slimline Emboss Edge, and it features this really nice embossing edge on your die cuts. And you get 6 dies in this die set, and I really love this one because of the embossing details, and you can use the middle again for your sentiments. The next die that I'm showing you here is called the Diamond Wire Wood Grain Frame, and this is really nice because we have a longer version of this, which is the regular slimline die, and it has the wood grain pattern on the side, and this is perfect for your shaker cards. I really love this one. This is one of my favorite dies. And once again, if you want to know the measurement, you can go to the website to check out the details. The next die set that I'm showing you here is called the Distress Edge Mini Slimline Dies, and you will get 5 dies in this die set. And I really love the distress edging on this die, and it cuts like butter. This is actually one of my favorite dies that she came out with. And what's really good about Scrappiness dies is the fact that you can mix and match all the dies that you already have on your collection because we have the slimline version of these dies, and we also have the A2 size version of these dies. So the next one that I'm showing you here is called the Stitch Wonky dies, and you get 4 dies out of this die set, and this is also one of my favorites. The next one is called Scalloped Edge Mini Slimline dies, and you get 4 dies out of this set. And once again, the smallest die you can use for your sentiments or layer them together on your projects. Now I will be sharing the latest release of the mini slimline dies. The first one that you see here is called Stitched Rope, and you get 4 dies in this die set, and I really love the details on this die because it's so unique. No one else came out with this yet as far as I know of, and you can use that smallest die for your sentiment. And if you are wondering about the sizes, go ahead and check it out from the website. The next die set that I am showing you here is called the Never Ending Mini Slimline Dies. This is a must-have for any paper crafter because you get 10 dies in this die set, and you get to cut out a lot of these mini slimline sizes as well as layering them on your card projects, and you get 10, so this is a really good value for your money. Next die set that I'm showing you here is called the mini tri-frame die set, and this features 3 frames, and what I got here is actually the wrong one, so she's sending me a new one, but this cuts out 3 frames that you can use, and this is also perfect for a shaker card. The next die set that I'm showing you here is called the Mini Slimline Chevron Coverplate die, and this is perfect if you have a lot of pattern papers and you get to die cut all those inside pieces and create a colorful background for your card, or this is also perfect to create shaker cards. The next die set that I'm showing you here is called the Mini Slimline Cross Stitch dies, and I really love the cross stitch details on this because it's deeply etched on your paper, so this is one of my favorites as well, and you get 5 dies in this set. The next die set that I am showing you here is called the Postage Stamp Edge Mini Slimline dies, and you get 4 dies in this die set. The next die set that I'm showing you here is called the Mini Slimline Zigzag dies, and you get 4 dies in this die set. And once again, I would like to point out that these dies will go perfectly well with the other dies that she previously released in the shop. The next die that I'm showing you here is called the Fancy Scallop Mini Slimline dies, and you get 5 dies in this die set, and this is one of my favorites because she also has the border dies that matches these die set. I know this video is already taking a bit too long, but I really wanted to show you all of the new products at Cat's Scrappiness shop. So the next one that I'm showing you here is called the Starlight's Jewel Slimline Paper Pad, and you get 10 3/4 by 4 inches, and you get 30 sheets in this pack, and it's a variation of colors between the blues and the purples and the green and the black and gray. And this is one of my favorite paper pads, and I will now show you a sample of the card that I created using this paper pad. So I used it as a background in this slimline card, and I used the dark blue there with the Slimline Cloud Edge dies, and this is another must-have because the Slimline, you can tuck in some little critters in the clouds, and I really love this die set. And then the moon was created using 2 circle dies from Cat's Scrappiness to create the moon, and I colored the edges to make it stand out a little bit. And the stamp set that I use is called the Quality Stamp Set, and it says, "Welcome to the world, little prince." I really love this card that I created using this paper pad. And the next paper pad here is called the Starlight's Bright, and this is also one of my favorites because you get variations of the yellows, the orange, the red, and the pinks and the grays, and kind of like a brownish gray. And these 2 paper pads are selling quite fast, so if you want them, you need to order them now before they get sold out. Cat's Scrappiness also came out with enamel dots, and it comes in variation of colors, so you need to check them out at the shop because they are really nice and good value for your money. So I promise, I know this is taking so long already, but I will be getting to the good part about the giveaway. So the next one is called the Summer Kawaka Stamp Set, and it features 3 kawakas, and they are really cute. I love that hula dancing kawaka with the guy hanging on the beach with the umbrella and the drink, and the tiki hut with the surfer board there. This is a really cute stamp set to have. So I'm almost done here. This is the last one that I will be sharing, the new sprinkles. This is called the Yellow Daisies Sprinkles, that will go perfectly well for your summer projects. The next one is called Catch Them Now Sprinkles, and this reminds me of Pokemon, really cute sprinkle. Next one is called Eyes Have It Sprinkles, and those little cute eyes also perfect for Halloween. The next one is called Candy Shop Sprinkles, and this is perfect for a birthday card, and I love the variation of pastel colors. Next one is called Love Letter Sprinkles, and I love that kawaii face in the little envelopes, really cute to have. Next one is called My Neighbor Sprinkles, and I think this looks like a bunny. I'm not really sure, but they're very cute. Next one is called Sponge in the Box Sprinkles, and this is really cute because it looks like SpongeBob's. Next one is called Ring Toss Sprinkles, and this reminds me of Lifesaver candies. Next one is called You Light My Fire Sprinkles, really cute to have, and these two will perfectly go well together. The one on the left is called Moonlight Glow in the Dark Sprinkles, and it does glow in the dark. And the next one is Light Up the Night Sprinkles. That will go perfectly well with the Starlight's paper pad. I know this video was too long, but I really wanted to share with you all the new products at the shop. And now let's get to the good part, which is the giveaway. This giveaway is only open to my subscribers, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, you need to do so. But please don't subscribe and then unsubscribe later, because that's not really cool and I will be checking later. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And leave a comment telling me your favorite product from this video, and the winner will be announced on May 8th. The price will be a $50 gift code to the Cat Scrappiness shop, and this gift code will only work for Cat Scrappiness products. So I just want to explain that because it will not work for other products but Cat Scrappiness only. So there you have it. I know this video took so long, but I really wanted to show you the new products. So leave as many comments as you want to participate in the giveaway. There are a ton of products available at the shop now, and they are pretty inexpensive. So if you want to purchase them, don't forget to use the Afterpay option. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy crafting!